Get up on in there.
Think it'll start?
There you go. See if this old girl wants to start up. 30 degrees this morning. So, certified cold start coming at you. We'll see. Yeah, I guess. See if she goes. Probably sitting right on him. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Keep going. All right. Well, looks like we'll be busting out the charger. Man, that's nice. All right, so we got her started. I'm sorry about the wind noise. It's terrible. We got her going though. All right, I'm gonna try and get unpacked, and I'll catch back up with you guys when you guys can probably hear me. All right, guys, what is going on? Welcome back. Sorry if it's a little echoey. We are inside the trailer. So we have made it to Ohio to the King of the Street Challenge. We're just getting ready to go get teched in on day number 1. So this is a 3-day challenge. Today we are doing the drag racing section. So drag racing, basically there's time trials, your best ET, and then also eliminations, racing against one another. So tomorrow, I believe, is the dyno competition, and then all of the dirt stuff, the sled pulling and the dirt drags is the following day. So I'm gonna try and break this down into each day and kind of get these videos out to you guys right after one another of day 1, day 2, day 3, and kind of the conclusion. So today is drag racing. Now, let me just explain to you guys know that we do not have a roll bar or a cage in this truck yet. I say yet because we are going to be putting one in. We just did not have enough time to kind of get it done for this event. We didn't have enough time to put in our second Freedom Racing engine, so the truck is still on the original setup that it has been on for forever. 100% overs, 2 stock pumps, you know, on fuel, which we did add nitrous. I don't know if the nitrous video is going to be out before this one or not, but there is nitrous on the truck now for this event. Other than that, completely same engine, makes about 975, 980, and then nitrous on top of that. So the track stuff today, we're going to be limited because this is a pretty strict event. We're not going to be able to run faster than what a roll bar lets us, which is, this is 8th mile times, so 7:39 in the 8th, which is like an 11:50 in the quarter mile, which the truck has already been a full second faster than that. So we're gonna basically be, you know, playing the let-off game again. So that's the deal with the drag racing. So we'll see how far we progress, how we place today, but we're about to go get the truck teched in. It is like 30 degrees. It is super, super cold. As you can see, Allie is bundled up. Reagan's bundled up. Everybody's bundled up. Everybody is cold. But that is the gist of today, guys. I'm gonna take you guys through the whole day. teched in, headed up time trials. Because the track is so cold, we're only running for a couple hours. So first part is getting the best time that you can. Again, we are limited to a 7:35, which we are more than capable of hitting with ease. So, but the problem is we can't run faster than that and have it still count. So we need to try and run as close to a 7:35, I believe is the dial without a roll bar. We got to run as close to that as possible. There's a lot of other guys here that don't have cages. So the closer we are to that number, the better off we will rank overall. So really important to try and get close to that. And then we're going to head into drag racing eliminations. Now, if we get paired with someone who has a roll bar, has a cage, and can run way faster than us, we still can't try to run anything faster. Otherwise, we're going to break out and get disqualified. So a little bit of a bracket racing situation again because of the lack of a cage, but we're going to do the best we can. We're going to head up here, make our first pass, and I'll catch up with you guys. Pretty hard. All right, what is that? 8:59.
Tower's saying something blew off of one of your trucks, so be careful or keep an eye on your truck.
Okay. All right, thank you. Let's go try and check out and see if it was something from ours. Ours shook pretty hard. What's that?
Did anything come off yours?
I don't know. I don't think so. Mine shook pretty hard, but...
Not fluid, so we're not...
Oh, just a leaf?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Alright, so apparently it was just a leaf. Alright guys, first pass. Spun really, really hard. 8:59 to his 7:53. So what he did on the other side is kind of what we want to shoot for. Alrighty, getting strapped in. Pass number 2 here. Let's hopefully get in our preferred range here. That would be nice. Thank you. All right, so that was a 772. That's better. That's definitely better. So they messed up my number, but that was a 755. I gotta make sure. I'm not sure if we can run a 49 or a 5.0. But that's better than my last pass, so we're gonna, that might be it, but we're gonna try and maybe go one more time. We got one more time. Let's try and hit it one more time, boys. But that's pretty much as fast. I mean, we're not even full throttle. Man, I can't wait to actually run this truck wide open. Not even nitrous. No nitrous.
See if they want to take it down the track. All they gotta do is come on down.
All right, so sorry that we're moving a little bit quickly. They're trying to get everything in. So here is our best 8th mile pass, 7:55. And then our last pass right here was a 7:57. So what we're waiting on now is qualifiers and then eliminations. So that kind of wraps up our time trial. Unless we run faster in qualifying, this will be our fastest pass, and we'll have to see how that stacks up against the field. I know there's guys running a lot faster than that, but who knows? We'll see what we can do in eliminations. It's kind of a little bit tricky to follow because we got Dirty Mike. Silent Mike is here helping. But it's gonna be a little bit tricky because there's a lot of trucks here. It's a rung what you brung kind of competition, but seeing that a lot of trucks like myself don't have a bar or a full cage, you still can't break out from your own safety time, if that makes sense. So anyway, that's the gist. But yeah, we're gonna wait. It's getting warmer, a little bit warmer.
Oh. I think there was a little miscommunication with the whole time and qualifying thing.
Yeah, okay. All right, guys, so a little bit of confusion going on here. So the official time that I cannot run faster than is 7:35, but for points purposes, I can break out to get full points. There we go, 679. All right, so that will get me maximum points for my safety limited whatever. Hopefully that makes sense. All right, guys, so we are headed into the first round of eliminations now. That last pass was another qualifying pass, but a little bit of a different change of, I guess maybe I misunderstood or not. So I can't run faster than a 7:35. But apparently in the time shootout, if you run faster than what your cage cert is, you still get credit for full points up until, you know, 7:35. So I ran a little bit faster that pass to get my full points. So I'm allotted the max points for having no roll bar. So first round of eliminations, now we cannot go faster than 7:35. First round of eliminations, we are against another quad cab truck here. Spoke with the nice gentleman. He does not have a roll bar either. So it'll be whoever is closest to 7:35 without breaking out will be the winner of this round. Hopefully we don't go out first round, that would be nice. 7:33. Dang it! We went too fast. Son of a gun. Ay, ay, ay. Well, I think that's pretty much it. We went faster than a 7:35. That was a terrible start. Man, oh man. No good, boys. No good. Alrighty, guys. Well, just like I thought, we went too fast. We went a 7:33, I believe, and we had to run slower than a 7:35. So went out first round, super close race, but that is the name of the game. So what we're doing now is we're gonna get ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow is, I believe, the street drive. We have to make it on a 100-mile street drive to get credit for those points. So it's gonna be a little bit of a road trip, and then the dyno tomorrow. So what we're doing up front here is we got silent mic. We're changing out the nitrous jet on the second kit because we're gonna spray it tomorrow, right? We got John from Fleece. Hi guys.
Hello.
They both don't want to talk. Did you do it already?
I did.
Oh, that's so fast. So what were we running?
A 52.
So we got some small baby ones in here. We put a little bit bigger one in there for tomorrow. And we're gonna change the wheels and tires over for the street drive. And that's what we're gonna do, I think, for this evening.
What are you doing?
You'll be on the camera?
Say hi.
Hey, hi. No, you can't hold it.
Can you say hi?
You can be on it, but you can't hold it.
You blow kisses?
Oh, okay, we're just gonna hold it. All right, let's just. It's you. Look, it's you.
Hi.
We're live.
You say night night.
Live action. All right, guys, just wrapping up this video inside the trailer here. Just recapping the drag racing portion. Unfortunately, Reagan's just going nuts right now. Unfortunately, went out first round. That's never a great thing, but I've kind of mentioned it a bunch of times, like we're gonna end up putting a cage in this truck. I'm just kind of really fed up and tired of not being able to get the best time and race heads up with people. If we had a cage here, we could race heads up. I think we would have done really, really well with the field of trucks here. Like we ran a 679, like leaving with no boost and letting off like 3/4 of the track. So the truck can run 670s all day long. Some of the fastest trucks here were running in the low 6 seconds. But again, having a great time, that's what's kind of the most important. But the truck is still in one piece. Can't complain about that, but we're gonna hit the dyno competition tomorrow. Again, like I mentioned before, changed up some nitro stuff that we're gonna be running. Reagan's having a great time. But that's gonna do it. Stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna, I believe, do the street drive, which should be interesting, and the dyno competition. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button before you leave. Subscribe if you have not already. What are we doing?
Doing planks.
What are we doing? What are we doing? Hey, Ray, look. Reagan. Hey, we're over here. Whoa, hey.
Can you jump?
What's up, girl?
No,
All right. Anyway, guys, we'll see you tomorrow. See ya.